So here we are again, and as you can see, this month we've actually stripped all the scaffolding away and the house is starting to look really, really good. Another thing we've done this month, on the back of the garage there, is installed the PV, or the photovoltaic panels. They've been supplied by Mitsubishi and installed by World Heat. I'll show you some of the other work we've been doing this month. So you can see that we've now finished the external brickwork, and the little feature in there which represents the, in a barn you used to have air that blew through to dry the grain, represented there by the little feature brickwork pieces. The Sunfold door is now in as well, as are all the other Sunfold doors, so the whole building is watertight. As you can see, we've actually started now the hard landscaping, which is all the block paving and slabbing, anything that isn't really grass or flowered areas. It's taken 2 weeks so far, and we'll take another couple of weeks around the other side of the building. In order to get the house to comply with lifetime homes, we've had to raise the levels up because you need level accesses into the house by the doors, and then you need fairly gentle slopes that come away from those level areas. So this has all been worked out with drainage, edging blocks, everything taken into account so that it all works for lifetime homes. One of the other things that happened last month is that the rainwater harvester has now been put into the ground. It's round the other side of the building. But Anglian Water have also inspected our main, which has been laid across here, just to make sure that the depth is okay for them. The paving has all been supplied by Marshalls. These are the concrete edging blocks. And on top of here, there will be a Piora Marshall block, which is sustainable drainage. The surface water runoff actually goes through it and dissipates into drainage and the rainwater harvester underground. So let's go inside and I'll show you some of the work we've been doing in there. I'll just show you on the way around as well. The gas board have been today and actually put the main into this semi-concealed meter box, as it's called. They pushed it through this flexible yellow trunking that we'd already laid, and the electricity board were in last week, and they connected up through that pipe and into the meter box there. So here we are inside, and as you can see, the house has been transformed. The dry lining is now complete. The Sunfold doors, bifold doors are in. And we're in the kitchen area at the moment. And over here there's an island unit. And this sticking up here is the duct for the extract fan, which will go down across the floor up to a large extract unit, which will be mounted on the wall and take the stale air, steam, whatever, out of the kitchen. So what's great about these Sunfold sliding doors is they're a bifold door, and by operating the handle here, they will slide completely out of the way, open right up, obviously make a nice feature when we walk out onto the patio when it's eventually finished. They're an aluminium door, thermally broken. They've got an anti-trap type of seal on there. Work very nicely. So upstairs, as we speak, the new underfloor heating pipe, a 14mm tube, is being installed by ProHeat. Normally in a house of this size it would take about 2 to 3 days. Upstairs we'll take them today and it'll be finished. Down here on the ground floor, the insulation, kingspan insulation, has all been laid, the joints all taped, and a polythene membrane laid on the top. Also this month we've been building the fireplace in readiness for the installation of the gas fire. So if you walk this way, I'll show you what we've been doing. So here it is. This is the fireplace. It's actually wider than it needs to be. The gas fire is only about so wide, but when it's installed we'll then build round to meet the gas fire. This is a stainless steel flue liner. It has a balanced flue, this particular gas fire. That takes the warm air out and the combustion air comes down the other side of the chimney. Gas points in. This timber section is so that we don't put underfloor heating in the hearth part. And once the gas fire is fitted, as I say, it will all be built round and dry lined up to it. So that just about sums up what we've done this month. Next month, as soon as the underfloor heating's down, screed flow are coming in to lay the screed on the ground floor and the first floor. When that's done, we can then get on with the second fix in earnest. For more information, log on to www.builderpottonbarn.co.uk.